Hi, welcome to Sewing with Sandy. Today we are going to do an unboxing from Babylon Leather. They sent me a bag, a DIY, a leather bag kit. Now I have never made a leather bag. They said it's beginner friendly, so we're going to give it a go. And they also have a tutorial, a sew along tutorial. So I'll follow along with that in a follow-up video. But right now we're going to unbox it and see what we have. Quick fit check. This t-shirt dress is the Rio Ringer tee from True Bias, and I've made it with a really stretchy rib knit. I absolutely love it. And then the vest is from Target. So here's how the box came in a nice little plain white wrapper. Let's see what we got. It's well wrapped. Here we go. A little flyer from Babylon. And then here is our lovely little bag. So there's a shipping list here of what is in it. The tote bag, a free gift, a silk scarf, and hand sewing tools. All right, so this must be the silk scarf. And they're so popular, right? Tying silk scarves around the bags are so cute when they're done. Look at that. That's perfect to tie around the bag. Oh, there's two of them, so you can make it nice. All right, that's great. And look, how cute is this, huh? Everybody's putting charms on their bag. I love that. That's adorable. And here is our leather bag kit. And I will pop a picture up of the bag that we're going to make. Ooh, it smells, you know that new leather smell? It's like getting a new car, right? It smells so good when you walk into a bag store and you can just smell the leather. Such a great smell. All right, so I don't know what some of these things are because I have never made a bag before, but we're gonna go through each of the pieces. These look like some kind of structure for the bag. And then we have grommets. I have all the doodads, I think, that we need for this. Tools and doodads. So thread. And you get to choose the color thread you want. This is some kind of, oh, this is a snip. This is a snip, and you're not going to believe this. One of my students walked off with my snips. So this is perfect timing. These are great if you don't have them because you just, like that, they just snip, snip, snip. So they're super easy. And then some heavy duty needles that you will need for the leather. This is my strap. Look at the color of that. Isn't that gorgeous? Huh? It's so gorgeous. And hardware, gold hardware, more gold hardware. I'm not sure what to do with these yet, but I'll figure it out. And then a clip, because you need clips to hold leather together. I have made leather jackets before, and it's much easier to hold them together with a clip because pins don't work so well. And a little Phillips screwdriver. And then we get into the pieces. Oh my God, I just love the color of this bag. It is just so yummy. Any kind of brown right now is the color of the season. So we have all of these pieces. I don't know what they're for. We will find out together. Straps or buckles of some sort. Two other pieces that are snapped together. Unsnap them. Two more pieces, and you can see that all the holes are pre-punched on here. All the holes. So there's something that goes in here, right? This is pre-punched all the way around, so I can use my leather needles, these leather needles, with this thread that they sent me. So it's all the same, and I'm sure this is a heavy duty thread. This has got to be the base of the bag, I'm thinking. And then, oh, it's just so soft. Oh, the zipper's already on there. Wow, that's a nice touch. All right, that's a nice touch. I don't have to sew the zipper on. I'm really happy about that. So this is the top of the bag. The bag is gonna look like this, and this zipper is gorge and already done. Yay. And then side panel pieces, right? I'm thinking this goes inside somehow, but we'll find out together when we put this bag together by hand with a needle and thread. And we're gonna go step by step through the bag, just like they do on their Sew Along. And you're gonna walk through it with me. But look at how cute. And then you got this little pony. We're gonna have him hanging off. And maybe we'll do all the doodads and the scarf, and we'll be ready to go. Okay, so that is my DIY bag kit. I am so excited that this zipper is sewn on. You cannot imagine. That was probably the most scary part. We have all the pieces here to make our beautiful bag. All right, stay tuned for our next video. We're going to be working our way through the Trapeze Tote DIY leather bag from Babylon Leather. I can't wait to get this finished. Beautiful, beautiful caramel color. Can't wait to get it done. See you next time. Happy sewing. Bye.